Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Sri Nagi, Ayurveda Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video I am going to talk about how to deal with muscle wasting or how to deal with weak muscles or how to make your weak muscles stronger in a natural way with the help of Ayurveda. In Ayurveda, a lot of importance has been given regarding how to maintain your body, how to make your muscle mass perfect, how to nourish your muscles. In many people this happen like they have good body weight, they have good muscle mass, but suddenly their body started looking very lean and thin. According to Ayurveda, this happens because when we have excessive dryness in our muscles or excessive Vata dosha in our body. As you know, in Ayurveda, everything works on the principle of Panch Mahabhuta. That is, as we know, like Vata dosha composed of two major Mahabhutas, that is ether and air. These two elements are in prominence in Vata dosha. So, whenever there is excessive Vata dosha, that means there is excessive Akash element, that is ether element in your body and excessive air element in your body. So, that is why all the symptoms related with Akash element, that is ether element and air element happens in your body. For example, like coldness, like that is the property of air element, cold, dryness, light, non-bulkiness, all these things are happening because there is excessive Vata dosha in your body. As you know, in Ayurveda there has been a principle of Sapta Dhatus, that is 7 Dhatus or 7 cellular levels, that is Ras, Rakt, Mas, Med, Asthi, Majja, Shukra. So, Mas comes in between. Mas means muscles, Ras means the first state, the juices, then Rakt means blood, then third level is muscular, that is muscle mass. So, for some reasons if you are eating well, everything going well, but you are not able to enhance the muscle mass in your body, how we can get rid of it? Let us see what Ayurveda has to say about it. So, first and foremost thing, we need to remove the causative things which are responsible for enhancing the Vata dosha in your system. That is when you are very hungry and you are keeping yourself hungry, you are just tolerating your hunger and you are not eating anything. So, if you are doing this, that means you are helping to enhance Vata dosha in your system. And sometimes this also happens, some people has made their diet routines very strict, even they are hungry in between, they are not eating anything, especially in winters, they are not eating, and that is responsible for enhancing your Vata dosha. In Ayurveda recommendation, in afternoons either you can have any fruit or you can have any nuts, or you can have little bit of food if you are eating. If you are not eating morning food in a very proper way, not like brunch kind, like big amount of food, then please don't skip your lunch, because if you are taking very little in breakfast, then make sure like you have your lunch on proper time. Next thing is, if you are not getting your sleep proper, if your sleep is not proper, that is responsible for enhancing the Vata dosha in your system. If you are exerting yourself a lot in some exercise, excessive exercise you are doing, or excessive exertion you are doing, that you are not your body is not able to tolerate it, then this kind of exertion will also lead to enhancement of Vata dosha. Or on the opposite side, if you are not using your body at all, that is also responsible for muscle wasting. So, you need to do exercise, you need to do any physical practice, but into balance, not excess nor less. Another thing you need to check, that is what about your digestive fire? Is whatever you are eating, is it going to digest well, or it is not getting digested well? And if you are not able to digest whatever you are eating, maybe there is a problem with your digestive fire, and some other, because of some other disease associated with it, and that is responsible for your muscle weakening. But if you are able to digest everything well, still you are thinking like muscles are losing, then the diet I am going to recommend today maybe will help you. So according to Ayurveda, if there is no other physical diseases, no other problem, is just you are losing muscle mass for some reasons and you are not able to recognize the reason. You are eating well, your diet is well, your food is well of good quality, but still muscles are not gaining strength, then you need to follow Ayurveda principle. That is, we have to enhance the elements that are opposite to ether and air. So those elements are water and earth. So that means we need to enhance the Kapha dosh in our system, and the best way to enhance the Kapha dosh in your system, that is eat more and more sweet fruits, eat full grain diet, eat proper wheat, eat proper legumes, eat proper rice. This is one part, and try to make sure they all are cooked well, so that they will get digested well and you will get proper nourishment.